Hey everyone, this is Alex or PolymomoTea, and today I have a video showing how to make these cute little characters called Chimimos, and this is from an animation created by the artist Kanahei. I saw it one day and I thought they are so cute, so I had to make all of them. So let's get started. So first we're going to take a ball of clay and we're going to flatten it out into kind of like a chubby egg shape. And then for the little horn, we're going to take a ball of yellow clay and roll it into a cone. And we're going to place that on top of our chubby egg-shaped body. Then you want to give it 2 dot eyes, and you want to place them kind of towards the top and a little bit close together. And then you want to give it a W mouth with a little bit longer in the middle. And then we're going to give it 2 happy eyebrows. And 2 flat pink circles for the blush on the side of the face. So taking some snakes of brown clay, we're gonna just fold them into U shapes, and these will be the little arms. And here is the first one, and this one's name is Mochi. For the second one, we're gonna take some pink clay and we're gonna pinch it into a teardrop shape, and we're gonna place it on top. And it's kind of like flower petals or hair, I'm not quite sure. But we're just going to pinch the little tips upward and then place a little horn in the middle. And then we're going to give it the natural face. And then a little triangle bow tie in the middle. And then this one is named Hipster. So for the next one, we're gonna make the same mochi style, but for this one, we're gonna add a little flat circle in the middle for the belly, and we're gonna have the little arms kind of touching the belly. And this one is called Plum. For the next one, we're going to take little flattened circles of white clay and place them together, and these will be the eyes. And then we're going to wrap them around with a snake of brown clay, and we're going to form them into glasses shape. Then we're going to give it the little nose. There's some cheeks, and one's going to have slightly cut off because we're going to place one of the arms to line along it, so it looks like it's touching its glasses. And then the other hand as normal. And this one is called Specs because it wears glasses. So for the next one, we're gonna give it the dot eyes and a little mustache for the mouth instead. And flatten that out so it looks more mustachy. And then we're gonna give it the cheeks and the eyebrows and the arms as normal. And this one is named Mustache because, you know, mustache. For the next one, we're going to take some white clay and we're going to pinch it out into a triangular shape and cut off the end. And these will be the little ears that we're going to place on the side of the horn. And inside those little ears, we're going to add little triangles of pink clay. And then we're going to finish off the details, giving it the mochi face. And this one is called Ears because it's the only one with ears. For this one, we're going to take some green clay and we're going to flatten it out and cut it into a hexagon shape with our blade. And then we're just gonna pinch the little corners out so it's more of like a flower-like kind of shape. And we're gonna place that in the middle. And place the horn on top. And then give it the mochi face. This little one is called Kappa. For this one, we're going to take some little pancakes of gray clay and place 3 little spots on them. And we're going to place the horn on top and then give it the mochi face. And because this one has 3 gray spots, this one is named Spots. For the next one, we're going to take some flattened ball of brown clay and we're going to carve out 2 little circles to make it like an umbrella shape. These will be the little wings. So we're going to place 2 dots on the side of our body and place our little umbrella shaped wings inside the dots. And then we're going to give it the mochi face. And this one is named Wings. And I swear I'm not making this up, it's actually named that. For the next one, we're going to give it 2 yellow stripes on each side and then 3 stripes in the middle. And then 3 stripes on top. And then for the little arms, we're going to roll out some white clay and cut off the end and place those on the sides of the body. And this is the only one where its arms are actually sticking out. And then we're going to give it the mochi face. And this unique little guy is named Tiny Tiger because of its little tiger stripes. So for the next one, we're going to take our white body and cut it into a third. And then we're going to do the same thing with the pink, cut it into a third. And we're going to blend the 2 halves together. And we're going to do the same thing with the light blue color. It's a light blue mint mixture. And we're going to blend it with the white body on top. And then what we're going to do is form it so it's kind of tilting on one side. And then using my roller, I just kind of flattened it on one end. So it's like a slanted mountain. And we're going to place the horn towards the top middle part. And then for the pink one, we're going to do the same thing, but it's going to be slanted on the opposite side. And put the horn on one end again. And then for the faces, it's basically the mochi face, but instead of dot eyes, we're going to give it line eyes. And we're going to place it kind of towards the corner of where that flattened part is. And then we're going to do the same thing with the pink one. And then here is blue pants, because he has blue pants, and then this one is red pants. And when you put them together, it looks like they are kind of smushing against each other. And here I have all 12 of the little Chimimos made. I took a long time making them, but I love the result. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to check out the show because it is super cute. Thank you for watching.